Charles Hoskinson addressed these are important things to consider with Cardano. Shockingly important news. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson lays out 2022 plans. Hoskinson said the creation of a formal open-source project structure for Cardano is on the cards, among other developments. Today we're going to talk all about Charles Hoskinson's important layouts for ADA in 2022. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 31st of December, shall we? ADA's price has been correcting in a descending channel. The bulls are attempting to defend the $1.20 level, but a minor negative is that they've not been able to sustain the recovery. This suggests that the bears could continue to sell on rallies. If the price slips below the $1.20 support, the decline could extend to $1.05, where buyers could step in and arrest the decline. The first sign of strength will be a break and close above the resistance line of the channel. Such a move will indicate that the downtrend could be over. The pair could then start an upward move toward a strong resistance at $2.3. Conversely, a break and close below the support line of the channel could intensify selling, and the pair could drop to 80 cents. Cardano's price analysis suggests that the bulls are likely to defend the $1.05 support with all their might, and that may start a relief rally, which could reach the channel's resistance line. A break and close above the channel will signal that the downtrend could be over. This positive view will invalidate if the price breaks and sustains below $1. Now let's get back to the topic. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano and IOG, its development foundation, revealed some of the plans for the network's growth in 2022 in a 30-minute Christmas Eve talk on YouTube from his home in Boulder, Colorado. My goal for the second half of 2022 is to figure out how to put all the pieces together to get an end-to-end microfinance transaction on Cardano, Hoskinson said. The Cardano founder said a structure that oversees the creation of decentralized products on the network would be introduced. A formal open-source project structure is going to be formed, kind of like Hyperledger to Linux, Hoskinson said. Cardano, founded in 2015 and launched in 2017 as an alternative to Ethereum, is a proof-of-stake blockchain that relies on network validators to process transactions for ADA, its native currency, and maintain the network. It's the sixth largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $51.18 billion at the time of this writing. People have previously complained that Cardano hasn't met its stated goal of being completely decentralized. In 2020, IOG published a paper explaining how it would decentralize its block production, a goal that was reached in April 2021. The network turned fully community-governed and operated in April this year, while September saw the public launch of smart contracts on Cardano, opening up the network's capability to support decentralized finance applications. DeFi protocols rely on smart contracts instead of third parties to provide financial services such as lending, borrowing, and trading. Such protocols lock over $260 billion over various blockchains, as per data from analytics service DeFi Llama. Public DeFi applications are absent on Cardano in December 2021, but that's not deterring Hoskinson from visualizing widespread activity on the network in 2022. A real person in Kenya or somewhere with a blockchain-based identity and credit score, stablecoin on the other side, Cardano is the settlement rail, he said. Cardano improvement proposals. Developers are also working on Cardano improvement proposals, a set of community-governed network enhancements that are slated to go live in 2022, Hoskinson said. Some of these include human-readable information for assets issued on Cardano and a native web wallet for interacting with DeFi protocols. Hoskinson said a recent testnet rollout would improve the network. Peer-to-peer is currently being tested with the stake pool operators on the testnet, and there's lots of stuff happening there. The peer-to-peer framework aims to make the network more decentralized, with 11 operators initially serving as test subjects on a semi-public testnet. A testnet is a blockchain that runs on the same software as a mainnet, allowing developers to test out features and applications before they go live in the real world. When testing is complete, network validators would be able to communicate directly with each other to process block data instead of relying partly on nodes set up by IOG, a process the development firm says could help aid in creating a more decentralized network. We've kicked off an important new initiative to support our ongoing drive toward full decentralization with the launch of a new peer-to-peer P2P testnet, explained IOG in a December 2021 blog post. Hoskinson is well aware of the problems that are holding Cardano back from reaching its full potential. My goal for the second half of 2022 is to figure out how to put all the pieces together to get an end-to-end microfinance transaction on Cardano, explained Hoskinson, and added, a formal open source project structure is going to be formed, kind of like Hyperledger to Linux. Judging by Hoskinson's statements, it seems that the development team is working on a structure that would oversee the process of creation of decentralized applications on the platform. If met with open arms by software developers, this could lead to the proliferation of a high number of public DeFi services on Cardano in 2022. The team is reportedly also working on a native web wallet designed for seamless interaction between various Cardano-based DeFi protocols and improvements on community governance. Hoskinson continued by turning his attention to peer-to-peer functionality and decentralization efforts. Peer-to-peer is currently being tested with the stake pool operators on the testnet, and there's lots of stuff happening there, the founder said. Once the testing phase is finished, we could see Cardano's network validators interact directly with one another, which would provide a greater degree of decentralization to the network and help alleviate some of the community's concerns. The vision outlined by Hoskinson in the recent video contributed to strong bullish activity, which saw the price of ADA increase from $1.35 on December 23rd to the monthly high of $1.59 on December 27th. ADA recorded a 10% jump on Monday alone. The price of ADA has since retraced to $1.49 at press time, mirroring the broader trend permeating the markets. David is a crypto enthusiast and an expert in personal finance. He has created numerous publications for different platforms. He loves to explore new things, and that's how he discovered blockchain in the first place. That's all for today. In the end, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!